I'm working on a project today that's kind of cross-stepping between what we do in latent print processing and translating it into footwear processing and impression development. What I have are a few samples of hardwood floors or engineered floors and some paper, glossy paper samples. I created a series of test impressions using a liquid or wet impression application and wet the shoe and pressed it onto the surface of each of my substrates. What I'm testing is the ability of the super glue or cyanoacrylate to develop the footwear impression on different non-porous and semi-porous substrates. I tried to pick substrates that would be typical of those encountered in the casework that we get here, different flooring samples or papers that might get disturbed or disrupted during a break-in or a commission of any other kind of crime, and might subsequently get stepped on by the perpetrators. What I've done after this was to place them in one of the available superglue chambers that we have here at the GBI Crime Lab. This is one of our chambers known as the Capture BT. The resulting development shows, you can see the white superglue deposit on the surface of the flooring sample. This one actually showed really good development. There's a lot of detail in the herringbone pattern from the footwear outsole, as well as the circular elements as well. What I'm also going to look at is our fluorescent cyanoacrylate or superglue product called LumiCyano, which would actually be very similar in development to this traditional superglue, but it's also fluorescent. So that helps in improving contrast against the wood grain and coloring that's encountered with the flooring sample.